Hello everyone, welcome back to Krish's Excel Anywhere. Today we will learn about the left function which is very widely used across all the companies. I'm sure you will be able to use this left function in your day-to-day work if you are using Excel. We'll be looking into all these points, like first what is left function, and next how to isolate, which means extract only the first 3 digits from string, how to remove only the last 7 digits, all by using left function. We'll be seeing 5 methods today. For some of the methods we'll be using len and find. So we will see the difference and how to use all these things. Let's get started with today's session. Okay, first let me tell you what is left function and how to use, and we'll see that arguments as well. Left function is used to retrieve a specific number of characters from the left side of a string. Let me put it in a simple way that this left function helps to return the specified number of characters. Let me show you how to use this left function. Equal left and press tab or just double click on this. Always we should see the syntax. First we need to select the text where the string is located. My text is here. Next is comma, number of characters. If you are sure that how many characters you need to extract from this cell, then you can specify the number. Now I am sure that only first 5 characters I need to extract, then I can define it here 5. Close the round bracket, I enter. So I got my desired output. In this way it is very simple. Let me type here Krish's Excel Anywhere. Now if you see the output is changed now Krish, because I have defined here as first 5 characters. If there is a requirement, need to extract only the first part of the string from space. So from this space I need all the value. So now I will show you that step how it can be done. There are many ways. I'll show you the easiest method here. Here I am going to use left, double click on this. My text is located here. I'll select this cell and comma. If you see the number of characters here, so in this case I want to extract only the first part of the string from first space. I'm going to use this find formula here. If you see this syntax, it says first find text, so I want to identify space. I've opened double quote and given a space in between. Again I closed with a double quote. Now the next argument is comma. I have given it. So this is my within text. I'll close the parenthesis. We are going to identify the space and we are extracting all the value and close parenthesis. Now again one more close parenthesis, enter. Now we'll see the second method, how to extract the value first part of string from hyphen. From this first hyphen we need all the value. Okay, first we'll see how to extract only the first 3 digits. If you are enough confident about the specified number, so then you can use left, select this function cell, comma, I need only first 3 digits, then close parenthesis, enter. So now we got the value. When you are not sure about the digits, how can you extract the first part? So now I'll show you this. The same formula what we have used here, that I will be using here. Equal left, select the text. This is our text value. A number of characters not sure, we are going to use find option, double quote. Here I am using hyphen and close again double quotation, comma, within text, close parenthesis, again close parenthesis. Now I'll show you one difference. We got the output with hyphen, but I don't want to see the hyphen, so then how to remove that hyphen? Here end of this arguments give -1. Now it has been removed since I have given -1. Always the left function gives the text value. By using formula itself, how to convert this text into number, that we'll see here by using this date function. From this date, so this is the date and I will extract only that first 2 digit from this cell value. I'll use left and let me extract this only the number of character 2 and close parenthesis, enter. So now if you see this 29, we got the correct output, but this is text value. If I want to see this as number, how to do that? Again same, use the left function, select the cell and number of character 2, same formula, but now here we are going to use value function. So if you use value, the output it converts to number and close parenthesis, enter. Now you can see the difference. Now this is text format, this is general format. If I remove this formula also, we will not have any green mark. This is how you can use this formula. Okay, method 4 is completely different. We have two country names here, India and United States. I have a requirement to extract only India United, not state. This should be removed by using left function. So len function used to get the number of characters in a string. Len tab, select the text and close parenthesis, enter. In this particular string, there are 18 characters. Now from this 18, I want to remove the last 6 digits from the space. First you can use left and select this value, comma. You can use len function. So now I am selecting the cell and close parenthesis. Now we know the length is 18. So from this 18, we are going to subtract 6 characters, 6 and close parenthesis, enter. Now you can see this, only we got the correct output stating that India United. So these are the all different method that how we can use left function. Now there is a last one. I want to extract the data before at the rate. How to get that value? It's the same similar method what we have used here. I'll use left function and select the cell, find, open double quotation. Instead of space or hyphen, I'm going to use @ again double quote, enter comma, and select within text. Then this should be the cell reference and close parenthesis -1, as I don't want the @. So now we have extracted only the names before @ symbol. In the next section, we are going to learn right function. How to use the right function in multiple way and different scenarios with good examples. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.